Hey Rohan, long time, buddy. Where have you been?
Hey Amit, I was around, just got busy with work and family. What about you?
Same here. Office work is never ending. I hardly get time to relax.
Tell me about it. I also feel like the week just flies by.
Seriously, Monday to Friday feels like a blur.
True. And by the time it's Saturday, I just want to sleep.
Exactly. I planned to go out last weekend, but ended up sleeping the whole day.
That's so relatable. Anyway, any plans for this weekend?
Not really. Maybe I'll go to the mall or watch a movie.
Nice. I heard that new movie is really good.
Yeah, I've been thinking to watch it. But honestly, I'm too lazy to go out alone.
Then don't go alone. Let's go together.
Seriously, you're free this weekend?
Yup. Saturday evening works for me.
Perfect. Movie and dinner.
Done. But this time, you're paying for popcorn.
Deal, bro.
By the way, how's your new job going?
It's good, but a bit stressful. Too many meetings and targets.
I get that. My office is the same. So much pressure these days.
But I'm trying to stay positive.
That's good. Work is important, but don't forget to take care of yourself.
Yeah, I really need to start exercising again.
You should join me for morning walks. I go every day.
Every day? Come on, you're joking.
Okay, maybe not every day, 4 times a week.
Still impressive. I can barely wake up before 8.
No worries. Start small. Just 20 minutes walk can change your mood.
Maybe I'll try from Monday.
Not Monday, start tomorrow.
You sound like my mom.
Moms are always right, bro.
True that. Okay, I'll give it a try.
Great. So, Saturday movie, tomorrow walk. Deal?
Deal. Let's see if I can wake up.
You can. Just sleep early tonight.
Good idea. Okay, bro, I'll see you tomorrow morning.
Done. Take care, Amit.
You too, Rohan. Bye.
Did you enjoy this conversation? Then don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more fun English dialogues and speaking practice videos. Also, tell us in the comments, what do you do on weekends? See you in the next video.